Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to look into Insight Bot Advisor. As you can see on the top right hand corner, you will have an option Ask Insight Advisor. So you can just click on it and you can start. So as in the UI, I can just start by typing some of my KPIs. For example, due amount. I can just try to search that and it will take a minute or two and then it will generate the KPI for you. As you can see, the KPI is there. When you scroll down, it will start giving you some suggestions. Okay, it will start giving you some suggestions as per your dimension available. So as you can see, some of it I will say that it will work, some of it will not work. So it is a random generated data. So as you can see, this particular chart actually makes sense as it is telling you that it is a comparison and this is a trend over. So if I just open this, as you can see, Singapore has more and Sao Paulo has around amount in some local currency. This is my currency actually. So just random values, and I can just create or just click on this and add this chart in a new sheet or in the existing sheet. So you can play around with this and you can get a lot more insight. You can actually do two KPIs at one single time. So I have another KPI, let's say balance amount. And total outstanding amount for by year. Okay, this is a standard query that the stakeholders will ask at some point of time, that they want to view two measures across one dimension. So this is a basic example. So now as you can see, we have that, and now you can select one of your charts and you can try to work over it. So it will give you a bunch of examples and you can actually tell it, let's say by year in line chart. So if my Qlik is actually updated, then it will actually give you that specific chart type also. So as you can see, we have that over here. So it might give you some random it will add some measures to it and it will give you some values. So but this is something that I was personally looking for, that it was stagnant, then it started rising. So it is given you up by date actually, but yes, it still works. So this is a very useful option that everybody should start using it, and it will actually highlight the KPI and the dimension. So this is my KPI and this year is my dimension. As you can see, it's in bold. So this actually enables you a lot. You can actually speak. So another way to use Insight Advisor is over here. You will have a button, click on that and that Insight Advisor will start. So you can actually start it from the right top hand right corner or this particular button. Now you can just select the fields that you actually want and then you can start analyzing. For example, in my case, I can just say that I will say customer group, and I have some master measures here. I will just start taking some of it. And now I will have the appropriate answer for those particular KPI. This actually works as kind of an ad hoc report. So you can actually use this for your advantage. Another way of using is when you are in your hub, you will have Ask Insight Advisor. When you click on this, you will have this particular chatbot where you can click and you can say select apps, but as you can see currently there is no app. So to enable the app here, you need to go to your application settings. You need to say Insight Advisor in hub. You have to reload this particular application and you can start asking the same query over to here. So now I have not reloaded the application, so after I reload I will get that. But if you want to know more about this, you can click on help and you will have quite a library to understand that how this particular bot advisor works. And I recommend you reading this before you actually go to an interview. This will give you a general idea what to ask, what not to ask. So this is all for this video. I'm going to meet you in the next one.